Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. We are back with another K-pop reaction for you here today. And we're back with BTOB. And we're back with Beep Beep. So we were discussing off camera the nature of the choreography. Is it an over and a beep beep? And then another over and a beep beep? High fives. Boop. Available to us when we dance like that.
Yeah.
Did we nail it?
No.
No.
That's why we're going to watch it and then learn it.
That's exactly the point of this video.
Is that what they're for? To teach us?
Choreography practice. Is it a chance for... Well, they do mirrored ones, don't they? So that you can do that.
Oh,
I think that's why
clever.
people do mirrored choreo videos.
So they're not just for us to laugh along to?
Yeah, I think not. I think not. I think not. I think it's a bit of all of it. I would be surprised if that particular choreo move was done with a... We might win a K-pop dance award in mind.
Yeah.
I think they've had a lot of fun with this song. I think we've had a lot of fun with it.
Yeah.
It is
hilarious.
Yeah, but it's also just like super great fun.
Yeah.
Which it feels like the version of this group that we met during Kingdom was also really fun.
Yeah.
And they seemed completely comfortable with themselves.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like,
you can tell that they've been around for a while.
Yeah, completely over any need to be embarrassed or like compete in any way. Like they're clearly the best at being them. And so why wouldn't you enjoy it?
Yeah.
It is also really interesting watching Penny all grow up.
Yeah, absolutely.
More than any of them.
Yeah.
Like it seems like maybe this isn't true.
Yeah.
But it seems like he changed the most.
Yeah, absolutely.
Not least bigness.
Bulkiness.
Like, yeah.
It's so weird seeing him like skinny with hair and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But, and there's like...
And then going back and watching a Kingdom episode with him like being like leashed with like 5 blokes in front of him. Yeah,
with contacts in and bald hair. It's so weird.
If he knew then what we know now, he'd probably do exactly the same.
Yeah.
He should rightly be very proud of himself, should old Penny. As they all should.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's dive in to the dance. We have enjoyed these very much in the past from this group.
And in past they've had it's getting late.
Yeah, it's getting late. I'm worried you're going to say subtitles.
Yeah.
They don't.
They don't have subtitles. Oh.
Yeah.
I was going to say, when I get tired, my London accent comes out.
Yeah, All right, governor.
The ain'ts come out.
Yeah. The T's just disappear.
The T's disappear.
I mean, you nearly dropped an F-bomb.
I did nearly drop an F-bomb. I'm getting tired. We've got to film chunks to...
This is B2B with Beep Beep choreo practice video.
Let's go.
And we're along for the ride.
Oh, let's go. Oh.
Hey.
Action.
Oh, this is adorable already.
Yeah. Oh, so smooth. I tell you what, you can't argue with it.
No.
You can't argue with it. Like, they are... I've got no idea if this choreo is easy or difficult, right?
Yeah.
Like, just, I will... Full disclosure, I'm no dancer.
No.
Nor am I a choreographer.
No.
But what I can do is appreciate when they're all doing the same thing at the same time.
Yeah.
And the thing looks smooth as silk. I got very obsessed with Chang Sub in the music video.
You did.
I cannot pause on this man with his mouth closed.
You can't. Okay. Loving his hat with bones.
Yeah. Oh. Camera moved. He's my favourite.
Minhag.
Yeah, yeah. Young Kwang's my favourite person
Yeah.
of all time.
Of all time.
But, yeah, so I guess Min Hyuk must be the biased wrecker.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm still on. He's your favourite person of all time.
Yeah, yeah.
Wife. 9 years together.
Do you prefer you to him?
No.
He
seems lovely.
I am very comfortable with having a bunch of different favourites that are each favourite for different reasons.
Yeah.
So of the kind of person he is, he is the best one.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Min Hyuk's probably bias wrecker.
Yeah.
Chang Sub is like a sort of fatal attraction. Like I watch him and I was like dead. Like he sometimes just gets me. He attacks me in these things in a way from an angle to which I have no defense.
He's a home wrecker.
Yeah, but out of context, that's not a polite thing to say. It's not a maybe.
Okay.
Should we let the man finish?
Yeah.
Such legs everywhere. See you, Gwen.
No.
Skipping across from left to right screen. Oh. I thought he'd gone for a minute then.
You just thought, I'm out.
I was like they parted and he wasn't there.
I'm out.
Oh God, he's wearing a camouflage jacket.
That way he thought he was gone. He actually camouflaged himself.
It must have been. I can't deny it worked. I really wish I was teeing that joke up. I was not. Such a smooth, jazzy voice. I can see why people miss Il-hoon.
Yeah.
He's like we said it in the last one. He's got this like wild card vibe to him that I can imagine like long-term melodies would really miss.
It's like he was going on for a sneaky wee. It's like
just face in the middle of the room.
Need a quick wee.
So where's that camera again? Oh yeah. Yes.
you pull that up on purpose?
I didn't see.
He's
someone?
He's your bias wagon. You didn't even see abs.
Oh man.
You do not pay enough attention.
Oh come on!
He did put it on.
Untucked his t-shirt. And look at the smile on his face as well.
He knows what he's doing.
Man did 500 sit-ups before this.
I feel like we might have to just quickly look at the lyrics.
And we're back. So, so we found literally the first lyric video we could find. So
I just need to know.
Yeah, we just need to know what they're talking about because we can't leave with the only phrase we understand being beep, beep.
Beep. Yeah.
So for the third time, this is BTOB with Beep Beep, and we're along for the ride.
Beep, 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 beep. Let's go.
Action. Action.
To be in the place.
Action.
Breakup song.
What?
No idea.
What?
Do you have any idea it was a breakup
I
song?
thought this was going to be on Riding with the Homies. What are you talking about?
너를 정말 사랑했어. 죽을 만큼 맡겨줬는데 그런 네가 날 버렸어. 인사도 없이 흔들렸던 네만 말아. 두근댔던 시간 가고 마음 아파는 잠도 안 와.
Do they speak Korean? What? How? Why do they keep doing this to us?
What, having music videos that don't match the...
No, just have it like yes, but just these moments where you just go, what are you doing, B2B?
What are you doing?
Melodies, you need to get your group together. This is not.
That's a sore subject at the moment.
Oh yeah, they'll be fine. They'll be fine. You know they'll be back. We need a more coherent vision.
We don't understand.
Yeah.
This is not what we thought this song was gonna be about.
What? How do you get from this to? I know what we're doing.
Beep beep.
Well,
cuts.
maybe. So the metaphor of the cars maybe comes in the chorus. Let's get there. Oh, I hate you.
Okay. Thanks for the presents you gave me, but I need to know this next.
I thought me was my.
Thanks for the presents you gave my butt. I need to know this next sentence.
Yeah.
Thanks for the presents you gave me, but won't accept them all.
About to explode, yeah. What, are you a goose?
I think he's in the car. Obviously.
I did get the reference.
You did? Oh, good.
The Romanized Hangul. So tweet tweep for beep beep,
Yeah.
which is I love that.
Tweet, tweet, bang.
Tweet tweet pang pang. That is brilliant.
Yeah. Tweet, tweet, bang, bang.
That's what we should say.
Yeah.
Yeah, I prefer it to beep. Beep's really boring. Beep, beep. It's just the accents.
경적 소리 오늘따라 거슬리네요 창밖에 날씨는 오늘따라 또
Let's talking about the weather.
I just don't get it.
What is happening?
Don't get it.
What is happening?
I cannot put.
We're just having small talk before a meeting now.
I can't put this song to that video.
I'm so discombobulated.
It's so weird.
왜 이리도 좋은지 네가 또
Maybe it's the sin.
내 옆자리에 텅 빈 채
Next to me, but
우리 추억만 채워가 나는 오늘도 예뻐 자꾸 뒤척이다가 네 생각에 눈물이 나서 답답해 운전을 하다가
can't deny it.
Yeah, like I don't want to know the lyrics. Like, I'm absolutely gonna put this on our playlist and just be like, I'm gonna.
Yeah.
소리 오늘따라 거슬리네요
The traffic sounds are getting to me, babe.
Turn your music up then.
Yeah. Gotta be honest, traffic sounds are getting to me. How? What? Yeah.
제가 막히네 반쯤 정신 나간 차로 경적만 울려대 빵빵 예측 출발은 기본 고속도로 한가운데 이리 시위라도 벌어볼까 해라 모르겠다 틀면 쳐봐라 난 그냥 늘었다 미쳐버리는 척이라도 해야 네가 돌아올까 사태가 심각해 근처 환경 다리를 찾아 그래봤자 소리만 빡 지르고 말겠지 오가
Just ad-libbing. Beep, beep.
Yeah.
Love it. I mean, yeah.
Just look at the pictures. They're all great pictures.
Yeah.
Why is Jacob so sad?
This song is, this group, they throw me through a loop every single time.
Every single time.
Every single time. I am going to need someone to explain to me in exacting detail what are they doing in the video that relates to this song other than cars.
Yeah.
Is it they are trying to get over their ex, so they're trying to, but that's not what the song says.
No.
Oh, God.
I really want to have been inside the meeting.
Yeah.
When someone come to them with a treatment and said,
Do you think it was like they've got the song, like the music, and they've got a concept for it and like an idea for what the video could be about, and they've got the beep beep, but they need the rest of the song.
it's like,
But
beep beep means car. So,
Yeah.
So how about we have cars and you guys just,
yeah, then just whatever the heart provides from that point onward, and the guy that writes the words had just literally just had a breakup and could think of nothing else.
Oh, jeez.
It's such a good song though. Like that's the thing. Like you can say like this bit doesn't match that bit, but it's all brilliant.
It's amazing.
Right, well there you go.
There you go.
Well there you go. Well done.
There
ladies.
you go.
Well done.
You got us to listen
Did
to
it
beep
again.
beep.
What
Did
next?
you enjoy our reaction?
Oh yeah, you knew. You knew.
You knew this was going to happen. Was it what you expected?
Yeah. All right. If it's going to be like that, Melodies.
What's next?
Yeah. You let us know.
How are you going to throw us through a loop next?
Yeah. What's next? Thank you very much
Thank you.
for spending your time with us. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And we'll see you at the next one.
Bye.